Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn English with Shaik Babji. So in this session, we are going to learn 30th structure. The structure is I am working on. I am working on. With I am working on, we have to use noun plus something. Noun plus something. Let's see the usage of this structure. This structure is used to express. This structure is used to express that you are currently engaged in an activity or a project. Currently engaged. Currently engaged in an activity or a project. So let's see what is the structure. The structure is I am working on. I am working on plus noun plus something. So how we can use this structure? The structure can be used like this to express that you are currently engaged, you are busy in some activity or in some project. So to express such kind of sense can be expressed with this structure. Let's see some examples from with this structure. Okay, I am working. I am working on. I am working on a project. I am working on a project for my company. Okay, next one. I am working on a book. I am working on a book about climate change. Next one. I am working on arranging my closet. Arranging my closet. Next, I am working on developing my. I am working on developing my business. Next one. I am working on designing my website. I am working on design my website. Sorry. Next, I am working on I am working on a plan. I am working on a plan to start a new business. Next, I am working on prepare a new grammar book. Okay, thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thank you once again.